Hello, I've bought a shed, Shire Jersey, 7 foot by 13 foot. And I'm going to erect it in my own self-assembly, my own good time. This is part of it here. Came on a transit truck, and the chap, the driver, helped me get it down onto the driveway. Right, and here's the bag of nuts and bolts, nails and stuff, some more timbers. Right, the first thing you do really with building a shed is make sure you've got a firm level base. Could be anything, could be concrete, flagstones, or anything heavy, railway sleepers or anything, but needs to be level, firm. What I've done in this case, I just hope it's strong enough, but I've made my own wooden frame, and I've done this by setting out the all the floor sections on this patio. Button them all together, made sure they're all square, and then I've taken a diagonal, which in this case shows it to be 176 inches. Now if you do that, if you take the two diagonal measurements and they correspond, then you know it's square, right? Anyway, I've put the floor down, face downwards. I know where all the floor rafters are, but all the nails, you know, it's obvious. And I've just simply put this what looks like 50mm square quartering. I've just laid it around the edges and screwed it all together, and I put these sort of rafters across, bearers, which would take the weight. Let's get a whole lot in. That's the size. Looks bigger, doesn't it? It's 13 foot long. Anyway, the next step, as it's all nice and level and square, is to lift it into position and support it with bricks. And when that's done, of course the position is not here, it's over there, just there. And then when that's done, I can then bring over the flooring sections. But there's little things to do to them first, like put these little tabs in so they interconnect. But at least I know that they all go on square, because it's important to get the flooring absolutely square and level, because the sides of the shed sides sit on it, so you've got to start absolutely square. Otherwise you can your measurements can start wandering off. Right, so this is the first bit. Right, thanks for watching so far. It might take a while. Right, I've now carried the shed base frame to the position where the shed's going to go. Now next step is to, I think I've got it in the right place. Next step now is to chock it out with bricks. Use a spirit level. Recheck the diagonal measurements. And then put brick supports all around actually. And then after that start thinking about putting the shed floor down. But there's quite a bit of preparation work first. The trouble is, it's a bit of a miserable time. I'm doing it 1st of January. I just want to get what I can done, because I want to use this to clear a lot of rubbish out from the utility room, so I want to get this done soon. Anyway, see how things go. Right, that's the end of this next step. Right, this is the final part of the base framework, which I've now put into position and put bricks under it. First of all, I just want to show you it's that Jersey shed made by Shire. Right, well, it's in position. I've levelled it, I've checked the diagonals, I've put bricks under it, shimmed it. Let's see how it goes. In hindsight, perhaps I should have used 75mm timber, but I think 50mm would do the job. After all, the floor's got its own rafters to it anyway, so nothing else to say about it at this stage, but treated it with this water-based wood preserver. It's just a bit spare I had, probably wouldn't have used. Oh yeah, I missed a bit there. Just missed a bit. I'll go over that. Yeah, that's about it really. Next stage would be to sort the flooring out. That would be part 2, I suppose. Right, well, I'm reserving judgment. I mean, I might post these on YouTube as I build it, so I'm upbeat at the moment, but who knows what it'll be like when I start building it. I might find some bits missing or misaligned or not very good quality, I don't know, but so far so good. The fact that the floor matched up precisely, it's a good sign. Tells me it's been machined well, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching.